Sometimes you need to create running total in pivot tables. How to do it properly? Let's start with creating pivot table. So just select one cell in our data and then from Insert tab select Pivot Table command. And we want to create pivot table based on our range in existing worksheet. And let's do it in F1 cell and press OK. And we have empty pivot table. So we want running total. So we need to drag date to row labels, and depending of Excel version, it will group by or not dates. I want to group by our date just by months and years. I don't need quarters, so just press OK, and just like that I have years and months. And now I want income, but I want income and running total for income. So let's drag once more income to values area, and just like that we have income and income 2, and we want to do that in column income 2 there will be running total. So let's right click any value from income 2 column and select show values as and running total. And we have to decide we want to create our running total based on date field or years. First, let's start with date field and press OK. And just like that, we can see that in income 2 column we have bigger numbers. So let's format them. Number format for this. So currency information 0 decimal places, and here let's also format our numbers currency 0 decimal places. And now we see we are working with money and we have bigger numbers in each month, so we have running total. So instead sum of income 2 we can write running total. And because we use date field as our reference point, we have running total in 2020, but in 2021 Excel start counting from start, so we have running total for this year, and in 2022 Excel starts counting from start again, so we have running total just like this. If we change our running total, so show values as running total in, but not from date perspective, so from months perspective in our case, but from years perspective, we in the first year have the same value as just in simple sum column, but in next year we have sum from January 2021 and January 2020, and in February we have sum from February 2021, so from 2021 and 2020, and in year 2022 we have sums from here from 3 Februaries and January's, March, and so on. So we have to know those difference, and we can even, when we drag manager to columns headers, we can even show values as running total in horizontal way, so from manager perspective, but it isn't the most proper data to create running total. So let's Ctrl Z and just show that we can also create percent running total, show value as running percent running total in, and let's say dates, so we can see that it's 100% in December for each year. we can see those values in percentages.